Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts alike, the Carpenter Square. Accurate measurement and alignment are crucial for any woodworking project, and having the right square can make all the difference. In this video, we'll review our top 7 picks for Carpenter Squares that excel in angles and precision. Whether you're framing, roofing, or crafting fine furniture, these squares will ensure your work is on point. Let's get started. Number 1. Mr. Penn Carpenter Square 8x12 inch. First up is the Mr. Penn Carpenter Square, measuring 8x12 inches. This durable square is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, which ensures long-lasting use and resistance to rust and corrosion. Its sleek design features clear markings and a laser-etched scale, making it easy to read measurements for improved accuracy. The 90-degree angles are precise, which significantly aids in ensuring right angles in your woodworking projects. Usability is one of the highlights of the Mr. Penn Carpenter Square. The lightweight yet sturdy construction allows you to maneuver it effortlessly, making it ideal for pro and novice woodworkers. The attention to detail in the construction helps with general layout tasks and crosscuts. Whether you're measuring for a frame or laying out angles for rafters, this square provides the reliability and precision needed. Durability is also a strong selling point. The robust construction stands up to the rigors of a busy workshop, ensuring it will be a staple in your toolbox for years to come. If you're looking for a dependable carpenter square, the Mr. Penn offering is an excellent choice for anyone who values quality and precision.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Klein Tools Rafter Square 7-inch. Next, we have the Klein Tools Rafter Square, designed at a handy 7-inch size. This square is made from a sturdy aluminum alloy, which is not only lightweight, but also tough enough for job site conditions. The raised gradations printed on its surface are easy to read, ensuring you can make quick measurements without straining your eyes. It's highly resistant to corrosion and can withstand harsh environmental conditions. The design of the Klein Tools Rafter Square features a triangular shape, which makes it particularly useful for roof framing applications. The unique cutout for the hip and valley makes it easier to lay out intricate angles for complex roofing tasks. The 7-inch size is perfect for portability, allowing you to carry it easily on site without taking up much space. Another great feature is the built-in protractor measurements on the side, which enhance its versatility beyond just a square. The Klein Tools Rafter Square strikes a good balance between functionality and ease of use, making it an excellent tool for both the professional carpenter and the DIY enthusiast. Its rugged nature ensures that it will stand the test of time in your toolbox. Number 3. THORVALD 6-in-1 Carpenter Square 7-inch. Coming in at number 3, we have the THORVALD 6-in-1 Carpenter Square, another gem in the realm of accuracy. This 7-inch Carpenter Square offers multiple functionalities, including a standard square, rafter square, protractor, and more, making it incredibly versatile for different tasks. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it promises durability and longevity, key attributes for any square you want to invest in. The unique design allows for easy use in various applications, whether you're framing, roofing, or simply laying out cuts. The THORVALD square includes clear, etched markings that won't fade over time, ensuring you get consistent measurements no matter how long you've had the tool. This accuracy is crucial in achieving professional quality work. With its 6-in-1 functionality, it also features additional measurement scales for quick calculations, allowing you to work more efficiently. The compact size ensures it fits easily in your toolbox or pocket, making it a convenient choice for professionals on the go. When looking for accuracy and versatility in one tool, the THORVALD Carpenter Square is a worthy investment for any woodworker. Number 4. Swanson Tool Co. Speed Square. Next up is the Swanson Tool Co. Speed Square, a classic and trusted tool in the woodworking community. Known for its ease of use and speed in marking angles, this square is constructed from high-impact plastic, making it lightweight and extremely durable. It's designed to handle the rigors of professional work environments while remaining easy for novices to use. The unique triangular shape creates a versatile tool for various applications, from determining cut angles to making rip cuts and layouts. The stamped graduations, combined with its 90-degree angle, allow for quick and accurate measurements. You can easily use it as a saw guide, which makes it a multifunctional must-have in your toolkit. The Swanson Speed Square is not just about functionality. It also includes a built-in protractor, making it easy to measure angles beyond just 90 degrees. Its lightweight design enables portability, ensuring it can easily accompany you on job sites or be stored conveniently in your toolbox. If speed and accuracy matter in your projects, this square will serve you well time and again. Number 5. Mecurate Rafter Square 7-inch. At number 5, we have the Mecurate Rafter Square, a well-designed 7-inch tool that combines quality and usability. Crafted from durable aluminum, it's engineered to resist corrosion and withstand the challenges that come from outdoor projects. With laser-etched measurements that won't fade over time, this square ensures a high level of precision when laying out angles or making cuts. The Mecurate also features an easy-to-read horizontal and vertical ruler system, which simplifies measurements significantly. Its unique design enables both right and left-handed users to work with ease, enhancing usability for any user experience. The 7-inch size is just right for handling while remaining compact enough to fit in any toolbox or workstation. One of the square's standout characteristics is the built-in conversion chart for rafters, which streamlines the woodworking process. This feature allows saw users to calculate bevel angles swiftly, making it an efficient tool for framing or roofing projects. If you're looking for accuracy combined with innovative features, the Mecurate Rafter Square should definitely be part of your toolkit. Number 6. WORKPRO Carpenter Square Set 7-in and 12-in. The WORKPRO Carpenter Square Set brings us both a 7-inch and a 12-inch square, making it a versatile choice for woodworkers of all levels. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these squares feature a sturdy construction that offers excellent durability and resistance to warping. Both squares have laser-etched markings for precision that won't wear away, providing consistent accuracy throughout their lifespan. The dual-size options enhance usability, allowing you to select the right tool for the specific job. The 12-inch square facilitates larger projects, while the 7-inch square allows for more detailed measurements in tighter spaces. Each tool includes a 90-degree right angle, essential for ensuring your cuts are perfectly aligned. Another great advantage of this set is the comfortable handle that offers a firm grip for enhanced control while measuring or marking. Whether you're laying out rafters, cabinets, or furniture, the WORKPRO Carpenter Square Set provides the reliability and precision every woodworker desires. Investing in this set ensures you have the right tools for a broader range of woodworking tasks. Number 7. Beslands Rafter Square 12-inch. Rounding off our list is the Beslands Rafter Square, measuring an impressive 12 inches. This square is made from high-strength aluminum alloy, which guarantees durability while being easy for maneuvering. The large surface area allows you to work with larger materials easily, which is critical when framing or constructing larger projects. It also features clearly marked measurements for both pitch and degree angles, adding versatility to the tool. Due to its larger size, the Beslands Rafter Square is ideal for roofing and framing work, where precision is paramount. The graduations are laser-etched for longevity, ensuring that they retain accuracy over a long service life. The integrated protractor measure provides added functionality, catering to a variety of project requirements. This square offers lightweight portability, making it suitable for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. If accuracy in angles and sturdy construction are what you're after, the Beslands Rafter Square is an excellent choice that will serve you well on numerous projects. And there you have it, our top picks for the best carpenter squares for angles and accuracy. Each of these tools brings unique features and reliability to the table, making them essential for both professionals and hobbyists. Be sure to check the description for links and more details on each product featured in this video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more woodworking tool reviews and tips. Happy woodworking!